In today's video, I'm going to teach you Guide with Google and Webflow. We'll start by using Google to get to Webflow, move into your Webflow dashboard to view your site, open the Apps area inside Webflow, search for Figma to Webflow, and then open that app so you can begin turning your Figma designs into a working Webflow website. Begin by opening your browser and heading to your preferred search engine. Type Webflow into the search bar and look for the official Webflow result. This is a simple way to reach the right place without memorizing URLs. Make sure the link points to Webflow's official domain before you click. Once you're on the site, sign in if you aren't already, so you can access your projects. After signing in, you'll land on your Webflow dashboard. Find the project you want to work with, then click View Site. This opens the live version of your project so you can confirm you're in the right place. If you manage multiple workspaces or sites, double-check that you're viewing the correct project. If you don't see your project right away, use the dashboard search or switch to the appropriate workspace. Next, inside Webflow, open the Apps section. Depending on your interface layout, you can access apps from the left panel or through the Marketplace entry point. This is where you discover integrations that extend Webflow's capabilities. If the Apps option isn't visible, make sure you're in the correct editing context and that your permissions allow access to apps in the current workspace. In the Apps view, use the search bar and type Figma to Webflow. Keep the spelling straightforward, and if results are broad, try adding Figma first to narrow them down. You should see options related to bringing Figma designs into Webflow. Glance at the app cards, paying attention to the titles and brief descriptions so you can identify the correct tool quickly. Now click on Figma to Webflow. This app is designed to help convert your Figma designs into functional structures inside Webflow. On the app's detail page, you can review what it does, compatibility notes, and any requirements. This is a great moment to read through the overview and check any documentation or support links provided. For best results, make sure your Figma file is organized with clear layer names and consistent structure. Thoughtful preparation leads to cleaner imports. It's also wise to duplicate your Webflow site before you proceed, so you can test safely. That's it. You've navigated from a Google search to your Webflow project, opened the Apps area, searched for Figma to Webflow, and selected the app to begin the conversion process.